Hello all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be learning about synonym in SQL. So what is this synonym and in which cases the synonym is used, we will discuss in this video. So a synonym provides alternate name for database objects allowing for easier referencing of the original objects within a schema. So database object. So database object means the name starts with create. So if you are creating any table, if you are creating any view, so those are called as database objects. So basically what we do in the synonym is, so we will be renaming or we are going to give a simple name that is called as synonym. Next, so what are the types of synonym? So we have private synonym and we have public synonym. So what is this private synonym? So private synonym means only one user will be accessing for this particular synonym. And what is this public synonym? So multiple users will be accessing for this synonym. So we will do this practically, how the public and private synonym works in detail. Next, we have what are the advantages of using synonym. So first is enhanced readability. So by providing a meaningful and intuitive names, synonyms provide a clarity and readability of SQL queries. Second advantage is abstraction layer. So synonyms create a level of abstraction allowing for easy modification of underlying objects without affecting the application code. Next, we have improved security. So by granting access to the synonyms instead of underlying objects, the underlying structure and naming conventions can be hidden. So these are the advantages of using synonym. Next, we have how to create the synonym. So to create synonym, we have synonym can be created using a create synonym statement followed by the desired name and target object. So we will create practically synonym in our Oracle application. Next, using synonym in the queries. So how we are using this synonym in the query? So synonym can be used interchangeably with their original objects in SQL queries, simplifying the code and enhancing readability. Then you can see synonym can be a schema specific and synonym can be a database link. So synonyms can be created within a specific schema, allowing for easy referencing within that schema. Then database link. In Oracle SQL, synonyms can be created to reference objects in remote database through database links. Then how to rename the database, how to rename the synonym and how to drop the synonyms. Let's see the syntax. So for dropping the synonym, we have synonym can be dropped using a drop synonym statement followed by the synonym name. So let's suppose we have synonym called as SYN. So the name of synonym is SYN. So to drop this SYN synonym, we will be using syntax called drop synonym SYN. So likewise, we can drop the synonym. Now, how to rename this synonym? So synonyms can be renamed using the rename statement followed by synonyms current and new name. So if I want to rename this same synonym, that is SYN, so we can write rename synonym SYN to new name. So like new name is suppose SYN1. So I can write SYN1. So likewise, we can rename and drop the synonym. Next, best practices for using synonym. So first is consistent naming. So use a consistent naming convention for synonyms to ensure clarity and maintainability. Second, permissions. So grant permissions, appropriate permissions to the user accessing synonyms to ensure data security and integrity. Next, we have documentation. So documentation, the document the purpose and usage of synonyms to facilitate the understanding and future updates. Next, regular review. Regular review and update synonyms to reflect changes in the database structure and naming conventions. So this is about the synonym part. So we'll move to the Oracle application. So this is our Oracle SQL Developer application. So in this video, in this we will do the practical part. So types of synonym we already discussed, that is private and public synonym. So private synonym will be only accessed or it can be only one user. for this synonym. And what is public? So this public synonym can be accessed by the multiple users. So this is basic difference between the public and private synonym. So syntax to create synonym, you can see here, create or replace synonym, and this is synonym name for object name. So object name means it may be a table, it may be a view, it may be a sequence, it may be a procedure, package, function, etc. So this is the basic syntax. Now what I want to do is I want to create synonym on my EMP1 table. So I have already EMP1 table for which I am creating the synonym SYNO. So create table. Let's first create a table called as SYNO. So I'm creating table SYNO as select star from EMP1. So I'm taking all data from EMP1 and I'm creating synonym called as I'm creating table called as SYNO. Then how to create the synonym? Create or replace synonym. Name of the synonym is SYN underscore SYNO for table name, that is SYNO. So this table which we created, on that table we have created a synonym. So this is alternate name or simple name we had given to the table called as SYNO. Otherwise if you are interested, you can give any short name like SY. So for better understanding, I have given purposely SYN underscore SYNO. Means SYN is table, SYN is name of synonym underscore table SYNO. So select star from SYNO, that is synonym. Select star from synonym. If I do this, if I run the query, you will see all the whatever the data is present in the table, those data will be observed. Okay, we are getting this error because I have dropped the table. So we'll first create and then we'll create the synonym. So let us first create table. So I am firing this query. So let me show you. Creating table called as SYNO as select star from EMP1. So if you run, will be created, SYNO is created. Now let's create a synonym called as SYNO. So if I fire this query, that is synonym. So this synonym is created. So you will see the message that synonym SYN underscore SYNO is created. Now let's view the data using name of the synonym. So we have select star from synonym, that is select star from SYN underscore SYNO. So if we run this query, you will get all data which was present in the table, that is SYNO. So this is table. Now what if I drop the table? If I drop the table, you will see that the synonym will not valid. So let us drop the table. So before dropping, let me show you how to rename the synonym. So to rename the synonym, we have syntax called as alter, or directly we can use syntax called as rename synonym SYN underscore SYNO to S. So if I run this, okay, there is error. Let me resolve the error. Should not be there. Yes, now you will see the table is renamed. So let us try to view data from SY. So if I copy this query once again, and if I paste here, and I will write the new name SY. So if I fire this query, you will see the desired data from synonym. So this is our original data. So let us try to fire the previous name, that is old name, that is SYN underscore SYNO, which is no longer valid. So if I run this, it will not exist. So the table or view is not exist. So you will see the error message, that is table or view is not exist. Now let us drop our original table and let's see whether the schema, the synonym is valid or not. So I'm dropping the original table, that is SYNO. So if I drop this table, yes, then now the table is dropped. Now let's try to view the data using our new name, that is select star from SY. So select, it will say that synonym translation is no longer valid because we have dropped the table. So like this, the synonym works. So I hope this part is pretty much clear. So we'll meet in the, so that's all for this. So thank you all and have a wonderful day, and please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.